Welcome to Grammar Lessons with Garnet Education.
We use superlative adjectives to say what is the largest or highest amount of something, or the smallest or lowest amount of something. To make the superlative, we always use the before the adjective. We add est to the end of short adjectives.
The fastest. The slowest.
For long adjectives, we add the most before the adjective.
The most expensive.
We don't add est to long adjectives. But some superlatives are irregular.
Good. The best. Bad. The worst.
Let's look again at Julia's travel choices.
The bus is the slowest.
Oh.
But it's the cheapest.
Yay!
The train is not the fastest, and it's not the cheapest. The plane is the fastest.
Yay!
But it's the most expensive.
Oh. Imagine you suddenly have to travel tomorrow.
The plane is the best.
Yay!
The bus is the worst.
Oh.
Thanks for watching.